Okay, hello guys. I hope you all are well. Today I made a session, this Sunday morning. So I will show you the explanations. So this is the first chart, AUD CAD. You can see this is extreme resistance, but if you go back, a little bit back, you will see another resistance above. So here you have a very big uptrend, pretty long uptrend. At some point you will have consolidation. This is one thing you should know, that markets, when they have a strong movement against a strong level, there will always be consolidation. That's why I saw this. You can see this a little bit consolidation here, this movement, this sideways movement here. So I was ready for that, so that's why I made this following decisions. This is a support because it became support after breakout. See, I went back. I see this little bit of consolidation because here you have a strong candle, green candle, then buy, sell stride, again buy stride with very strong selling buying pressure, could not break, again seller, again buy, again seller, until sellers made here a continuation sign, this candle here, a pullback, a retracement back to this lower level before starting a new downtrend or bearish momentum. So I saw that because of this strong rejection and because I knew about consolidation, I didn't place here a put because I need to place exactly here. I didn't touch that, so I didn't place a put. Instead, I place a call exactly here in the support. You can see, and it closed exactly here at support, and then I made here a call because I knew the market is consolidating, and it's consolidating. So here it doesn't matter how strong is this candle, it doesn't matter if this is a bearish engulf, and it doesn't matter if we have a new low or not. If you're expecting consolidation, so you can go with buyer. So made this call after a strong rejection. Here, most of the time in the consolidation, you may think that the candle must touch this level and keep moving. No, but sometimes it may reversal in the middle of the trend. In the consolidation area, you should trade at the resistance and at the support, not in the middle. So here I could not place a trade, but I was expecting a put option, a red candle, because of the strong rejection in the same point of this opening price of this red candle. So it's in a small area of sellers area. Is that sellers area? For example, here there is a strong rejection, so I believe in sellers, but I didn't place a trade. It's not safe. And then again, sellers could not break support, so I placed a call. I think, I don't remember. No, I didn't, because there is a small breakout, but still you should trust consolidation area, so I didn't place a call. I had a lot of opportunities. You can see a lot of buyers entering here. See, breakout of support. This is a still support, so it's not a breakout of support by buyers itself. It doesn't make sense. So this is just a fake breakout. You can see strong buyers movement and not enough sellers, just by seeing the movement. So you need to train your eyes. Now a strong rejection, but could not go more down. So this was my chance for call, but now again there is a strong rejection. So I understand we're still in consolidation. So I place a put exactly here at the resistance in the next candle, not in the not on the opening price of this candle, of the next candle. You see, I didn't place put here because of the strong rejection. I placed exactly here at the resistance. This is the movement of so here you combine two things: buying pressure because of the strong candle without new low, and new high. You can see there's a small new high, so buyers will try to break the consolidation area, but sellers believing that they could enter because of this strong rejection. Now sellers could not go down after the strong rejection. The seller is not trying to go down, so you can trust seller again, but not in the next candle. That's why this candle is continuation sign for buyers. You should expect a breakout, so don't place again a put option here, because strong rejection, seller is not trying to go down. Again, there is a little bit new high. Now the rejection from seller is very small. So this rejection is not selling pressure anymore. It's buying pressure. So this is how you know if it's only a rejection or if it's a big buying pressure or selling pressure. It is both. Next candle will tell you the real story. This is next trade. You can see here this how strong it is this bearish momentum. Here in this buyer movement, in this bullish momentum, there is a lot retracement candle here, 3 retracement candles here, another one, until it reached the extreme resistance. So it took about 16 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16, about 16 candles until reach the resistance. So it's a big, this side is a big side of this triangle. Now it took about 8 candles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 7, about 7. So it took less candle to reach the support. So this is a strong bearish movement. So after this green candle, you may think you should go sell, but it's not all the time, because there is no new low. The strong bearish movement should make a new low. It didn't, so I didn't place put option right away. You can see there's no new low. I even moved this line to see. This line was real. I move a little bit below, and there's no new low, but you can see even this strong rejection from this round numbers. So you think, oh, I'll go to buy it, but no. But again, sellers entered very strongly, so I went to sellers expecting a breakout. So, but I placed the trade for 2 minutes, but still it was safe trade.
Coisas, vou-me embora, pá. Vais para onde? Vamos embora, não tenho que ficar aqui.
So it was a safe trade. They just broke this level. This is just a retracement candle. So just by seeing the movement, you can expect a breakout. So 2 minutes, winning trade. Again, sellers. These markets went back to this consolidation area again. You can see how annoying is the market. Now here is a consolidation area, right? And here buyers didn't take advantage to go up. Most of the people will place here a call option. They say, oh, there is a breakout of resistance, becomes support. Now there is a 3 black crows. This is a retracement sign. There is a rejection at the support now because it becomes support, so I will go back. But this is wrong. This is wrong because this is how momentum works. So here you have a strong rejection from buyers, but they are not trying to go up. So what it is mean? It means that they are only holding the market here. They are afraid of selling. They're only holding. You can see here new low. You can see here new low. Sellers with this very small movement, this very small power, they still made a new low. They still didn't allow buyers to go more up. So this is a sign of breakout. This is a sign you will have a breakout. You can see this is a strong rejection. The buyers again, after this rejection, they could not go up in the middle of the trend. Yes, look it here. They entered, but sellers entered very strongly. Not here in this round number, and not here. They entered immediately here. So that was a sign of breakout. And then after breakout, again, the market decided to go up again. This is also annoying because after this strong breakout, you may think, oh, you will have a strong breakout like this of this support too, but they didn't. Here I trace a line Fibo tool. I use Fibo. You can trace the line for a lot of ways. You can use always swings, swing high. Connect these 2 lines of the swing high, these 2 points, these 2 points of swing high, or these 2 points of swing low. You decide. You just have to use it and then see how it's work. What's the best way to draw it? So here, most of the people will place a put option, but you should wait because this is a strong bullish movement. After this candle became green, it closed exactly here to rejection. So you may think, oh, this is just a retracement candle. So the next candle I will go to sellers. So look at this. Close at the sellers area with the rejection. It seems like a retracement candle only. We will have here a strong selling pressure. But here could happen 2 things, or it could go up because of this buying pressure too, because of this bullish movement, and because sellers is here. So I had to decide. I ignored all signs from sellers. I just care about signs from buyers because I believed in buyers in this time. You can see a lot rejection, a lot strong sellers enter, but I just didn't care. Here they were deciding what they were gonna do. So just see strong buyers and sellers movement. See 1 rejection from sellers, movement for buyers, sellers, from buyers again, again strong sellers, again a little bit strong buyers now. Now check this out. There is a breakout of this tip of this week, and it sells didn't enter strongly anymore. See, a little bit of rejection, a little bit, but could not go down against strong pressure up. So I place call option, expecting a strong bullish candle. You have strong bullish, strong bullish, weak bullish with buying pressure, so you should get a strong bullish candle again. Continuation sign, and sell is real. You can see the rejection came at the end exactly at this level from sellers. Sellers was real. See, very small rejection, but strong rejection came from sellers area. See, boom. But was too late. The rejection was not strong enough to close below my entry point, so I win. I won this trade too. Can see? Here I made a call option expecting, but this is wrong. This all is sellers area. This is a small rejection resistance. This is a resistance below, and then I trace this. I draw this resistance above too. All this area is a sellers area. Buyers entry in the sellers area with a strong rejection. So you should not expect buyers to. I was expecting buyers to fill this gap, but it's not safe. We have also this round number with 2 zeros. It's very strong. So I believed in buyers, but also I thought this was a reliable J-Hawk pattern, but it's not. J-Hawk patterns look like. This is one example. J-Hawk patterns work in when you have a trend market. This is an example. Market is trending after this consolidation. Now it's going down. You have here a J-Hawk. Again here a J-Hawk. So when you should expect in the J-Hawk, you basically ignore the horizontal level. You just care about the trend level. For example, something like this. So this candle is not so big. It's like this candles too. It's like this candle. So you should not place put option immediately. You wait for this confirmation again. Then you can place here a put option and then put option. Breakout of the support line, which not strong anymore because of J-Hawk pattern. Here another. You can see this candle, this red candle is bigger than all these 3 green candles. So this is a sign of you will have a breakout of this level. Sell buyers is here, so put option here and put option here. But here it's not a reliable J-Hawk because we have here 4 green candles, here 3 green candles. So this took less time to get to break the resistance, and this candle is now very weak. Have this strong bullish movement without any rejection. Now you have a weak candle with strong rejection. So don't trust the J-Hawk pattern. This is a bad J-Hawk pattern. Why? The last movement of buyer should be stronger than all previous movement. This is the first buyer's movement, this is the first seller's movement, and this is the second buyer's movement. So this movement should be bigger. This candle should be bigger than this or equal. Then the second candle should be bigger than this to break this horizontal level or this round number, but it's very weak, so don't trust this pattern. Instead of J-Hawk, when this movement is very small, what you're gonna have? Yes, double top. This is what will happen. If you don't have one, you will have the other. This is another fake J-Rock pattern. This 3 bullish candle could not break this level. This very weak movement, so it's not stronger than this, so don't trust this movement. And I think this was all.